Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm back in the Esprit and today I'm off to Bicester Heritage to the April Sunday Scramble. I'm actually now finished running in, but it hasn't yet been back to the project shop. That's actually happening tomorrow. I'm going to go back in for oil change and a check over. Meanwhile today it's actually on display within a kind of curated area called the thin end of the wedge. So there'll be probably a few other Esprits and other cars with kind of pointy ends, I guess. Nonetheless, Bicester Scrambles are always a good day, so I'm sure there'll be other stuff around. The weather's looking okay at the moment. I think it might be a little bit wet later on. Hopefully I'll be able to get home before it starts getting too rainy. I don't really want to test the new door seals on the car particularly, but we'll see how we get on. Please give this video a thumbs up and maybe make a comment. Tell me what you found most interesting about the day at the Bicester Scramble. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. That really makes a difference to my motivation for doing these things, but also how many other people get to see the videos. I'm in wedge heaven at the moment. It's all being set up here at Bicester Heritage. We got my S3, we got Nick Berg's S3, which is very like mine, obviously, except that it's yellow. Then we got a lovely S1, that's owned by Matt Elksley. And there's also over the back there a Turbo. Don't know who that belongs to, I've not met them yet. But some lovely wedges already arriving. This way round, Lamborghini Miura, beautiful, and just coming into position now, Lamborghini Countach. So brilliant stuff. Another wedge over here is a TVR. It's a TVR 350, and over the back there, I'll go and see that in a minute, is a Ferrari 308 GT4. So it's looking very good. One car that isn't a wedge but seems to be here, I'm not sure why, is this Allegro. There we go. But yeah, no, some good cars here, and really chuffed to be part of this little kind of foursome of Lotus Esprits. So as I said, this S1 is owned by Matt Oxley, who is an absolute guru relating to Lotus Esprit S1s, and he actually sold the car to the Salvage Hunters Classic Cars team, the orange one that they went on to restore, although little birdie tells me that he did most of that work himself. This is not just any Turbo Esprit, this is an Essex Turbo Esprit, so it's a limited edition, this one being number 007, owned by Jonathan Hackford. So the last Esprit in the foursome, this yellow S3, which is owned by Nick Berg, who writes for Haggerty. Go to haggerty.co.uk and you can follow his journey with this Esprit, which has been quite eventful. These are my two favourite Lamborghinis, maybe everyone's favourite Lamborghinis. The green Miura, the white Countach, and a Diablo just beyond it. Ferrari Dino 308 GT4 and a Fiat X19. So basically what Adam's done here, Adam the Rev, he's put together all of his favourite cars from the kind of wedge period. So you've got Lancia Delta Integrale, Alfa 145, Golf GTI. And over the back there, next to the Allegro, he's got the Princess, which is obviously a wedge. It looks like another wedge coming in now, which is a Mondial. Let's see what kind of Mondial that is. That is a Quattro Volvoli. The show's underway now, and also we've had join us Hustler and an Aston Martin Lagonda, both of which were designed by William Towns. So there are a few other wedges around in the show, not part of the thin end of the wedge display, such as this DeLorean. I think there were a couple of DeLoreans I saw. There's also this 1997 Lotus Esprit GT3, of which there are fewer than 200 built. So I had a great day here today at Bicester Heritage at the Scramble. I've really enjoyed being part of the thin end of the wedge display with my Esprit. Please give me a thumbs up and like this video. Leave me a comment, leave me a suggestion, pick out some of your favourite cars here, your favourite wedges, and by all means subscribe, that really makes a difference. Thanks very much for watching, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.